Have you ever wondered what actually makes that popping sound when you crack your knuckles? A lot of people think it's your bones rubbing together, but that's a myth. Your joints are actually filled with a lubricant called synovial fluid. When you stretch your finger, you pull the bones apart, creating a space of low pressure inside the joint. This sudden drop in pressure pulls gases out of the fluid, forming a bubble. The crack you hear is simply that bubble collapsing or popping, rushing the fluid back into place.